Hey guys, there are so many body motions in ActorCore which are ready for your Blender 3D animations. And everything are ready. I'm going to show you all this step by step. First, you can just go to my video description and click into the link. It is going to lead you to the Reallusion ActorCore. First, you are going to start from here. Once you already click the link from my video description. Next, what you need is just go to the motion. From here, there are so many motions. It is about 5,000 motions here. For example, some daily life, transportation, etc. Outdoor activities, which are ready for your Blender's 3D animations. So I'm going to just show you all the step by step how to get it for your Blender, and all of these motions. The price is quite reasonable, and maybe I just try to just buy one. Alright, if you buy it, you just purchase, click here and then go to the cart. Right, once you already successfully check out, you can just find your inventory at here. You move your mouse cursor to here, go to the inventory. For here, click the motions. For all of these are the motion that you already purchased. Just for example, I have a jump landing, I have an aerobic dance. Next, what you need is just click download, and then you can just tick export the motion only. Next, from here the target application, choose Blender. The FPS, choose 30. If you want it to become a mirror motions, you can just take it, or you want it to move in place. Next, just click download and wait for a while. It is ready after a few seconds. As demo, I'm going to just download it on my desktop. I will just choose my desktop, and the file name, I'm going to just download this. The file name, just name this as jump landing motion for Blender. Start download. Right now, it will be in my desktop. It is at here. This is a zip file. Just right click and just click extract on the desktop. Now the motion is already here. It is an FBX file. So now you can just open your Blender, just click the empty area, just press A and just press delete to delete it. Then after that, you can just import your motion by just dragging the FBX, then click import. Now you can see this is a skeleton which ready for you to make any retarget in your Blender. So you may just use the AutoRig Pro to retarget this body motion to another 3D avatar, or you can just use the Rokoko to just retarget it in Blender. It is ready for you, everything ready, done. Alright, that's all for today about my tutorials on how to bring any of the ActorCore motions, how to get the motion from the ActorCore. There are so many, about 5,000 body motions. Get any one of it to the Blender. It is ready for your 3D animation, the Blender 3D animation. Alright, that's all for today. Thank you for watching. If you love my 3D animations and 3D game developing tutorials, you can just subscribe to my YouTube channel, and see you in my next video. See you.